Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Portronics Power Plate 5. The model number is POR1359. This is basically a spike resistor which comes with three power sockets, three 3-pin power sockets and three USB-A ports. This is what it looks like. You can see from the image on top. There's some specifications mentioned here which says three power sockets, which I mentioned, mobile holder, 2.8 fast charging. So this particular spike supports 2.8 fast charging, three USB-A charging ports, cord length of 1.5 meters, and inbuilt smart chip. So that's all the information on the box. I'll now open it and show you what's inside. Okay, so there you go. First up, we have a warranty card from Portronics, a very tiny warranty card. And these are the elements of this particular power plate. So there you go. This is what the Power Plate 5 looks like. These are the three 3-pin sockets that comes in, and these are also the three USB-A slots. There is an LED indicator over here as well. And this button is for basically when you want to start charging. This is the power on off button for this particular charging plate. At the back, you will notice that there are these two grooves over here. This is for when you want to mount this to a wall. Total AC output, by the way, it's written over here, 1500 watts, which is 6 amperes max. And total USB output is 5 volts or 2.1 ampere max. So this USB slots are the one that supports fast charging. And this is the 1.5 meter long power cable. It's a thick PVC power cable. And it also has a 3-pin plug on one end. Also notice this particular groove over here. This is basically your mobile stand. So you can put your mobile over here like this and then put it on charge. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Portronics Power Plate 5. The model number is POR1359. Thank you for watching.